In this video, we're going to look at another example on how to find the equation of the hyperbola when we're given the graph. To find the equation of the hyperbola, we need to begin with the general equation of the hyperbola, which is y is equal to a over x minus h plus k. The a in this equation represents the dilation factor. This is essentially how much the hyperbola stretches from its center. The h represents the vertical asymptote and the k represents the horizontal asymptote. If we look at this graph, we can see that this graph has got a vertical asymptote at x is equal to -2. So this means that the h value is going to take on the value of -2. It also has got a horizontal asymptote at y is equal to -3. So our k is going to take on the value of -3. Once we've got the values of h and k, we're simply going to substitute these values into this equation. So when we do that, we're going to get y is equal to a over x minus -2 plus -3. The two negative signs next to each other will convert to a plus, and the plus and the minus will convert to a negative, so that we get y is equal to a over x plus 2 minus 3. Once we've got the values of h and k, our equation now looks like this. Y is equal to a over x plus 2 minus 3. It's not complete yet since we still need to find out the value of our dilation factor a. So from this graph, we see that the hyperbola passes through the point -3, -2. So we're going to use this point and substitute it in to this equation. So we're going to replace the x with -3 and the y with -2 so that we get -2 is equal to a over -3 plus 2 minus 3. -3 plus 2 is equal to -1. So we're going to get -2 is equal to -a minus 3. And solving for a is equal to -1. Once we've got the value of a is equal to -1, we then substitute back into this equation, and we're going to get the equation of the hyperbola as y is equal to -1 over x plus 2 minus 3. Thanks everyone for watching the video. I hope you guys found that useful. For more videos on this topic or other topics, please do check out our channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe. We do release videos weekly, and we would love to see you all in the next one. Bye for now.